Alrighty, hey guys, I'm gonna make a quick video pulling out this first garden tractor for the spring here. It's the first day of spring 2022, and figured I'd pull this Craftsman out that's under this cover and give it a cold start and just see how well it fires up this year. I winterized everything that's in here, if you can believe it. There's actually 5 garden tractors stuffed in this tiny shed, and yeah. So let me put the camera down and I'll uncover this and push this outside, and we'll see if we can get the fire up. If one of you want to give me a hand with this. No? No? Alright. I'll do it myself.
20 minutes later.
Alright. Well, I got it out. This is a 1999 Craftsman GT from, well, what's left of Sears. It's got a 46-inch deck. It's a hydrostatic transmission. It's got a 20 horsepower Kohler Pro engine. If you guys can actually believe it, with how decent shape this thing is in, it actually has mowed probably 2 acres every summer since 1999. If I had to guess, it's probably got 6,000 to 7,000 hours on it, and I've yet to do a rebuild on it. And it runs like a top without any smoke. It ticks a little bit when you first start it because the lifters need to fill up with oil, but it's had work that's been done to it. It's had a carburetor replacement. I've replaced the steering shaft and all the bushings and the steering twice because there's no grease fittings, unfortunately. This past year of 2021, I had to repair the transmission. There's a coupler between the hydro pump and transmission that stripped out. Luckily it was just 4 balls, pulled the hydro pump off, and it was just slide the new one in, put the new one back on. So I had to do that. Put the it's had a new deck put on. I was actually able to find a new old stock 46-inch deck. That's about it. Overall, I mean, you can see the paint on this thing. It's no real scratches. It's shining out here. So let me get a jumper pack and we'll see if it'll fire up this year. Alrighty, jumper pack's hooked up. Check the oil, turn the gas on. Let's see if it'll fire. Too bad. See if the deck will engage. got 5 more in here. I got a 95 MTD lows, a 94 over here MTD lows. There's a little Simplicity under here, and then way under in the back underneath all that other stuff is a Cup Cadet. So this is my main mowing fleet. So eventually, in the next couple of weeks, I'll probably get these other ones out. I don't really need them right now. I'm just doing some leaf cleanups and stuff, so this Craftsman will work for that. But looks like that one tire might be a little bit low. I'll have to check all that. But I do most of my tune-ups in the wintertime, so I can get that. I can just pull them out in the spring and put them to work. But alright guys,